By day, Captain Whiskers looked like an ordinary cat, napping in sunny windows and accepting treats from admirers.
But when danger appeared, he transformed into the fearless protector of Purrlington, Captain Whiskers.
One stormy night, Barkon unleashed his most dangerous invention yet, the Bark Blast.
One stormy night, Barkon unleashed his most dangerous invention yet.
The terrible barking noises spread across the city, sent frightened cats running for cover.
Winter being cruel Barkon flower reaches ski both spring October's.
Barkon attacked with robotic chew toys and flying tennis balls, but Captain Whiskers was too quick to catch.